Hello, today we are going to see experiment 6 subqueries. In this we'll see how to demonstrate the working of subqueries. Here in the subqueries are the nested inside the select and insert and update or delete statement or inside another subquery, and subquery can be used anywhere an expression is allowed. So a first question we'll see will list the names of the customers having a maximum deposit. So here I have given a command. Here I given a command select CNAME from deposit where amount in select max in bracket amount from a deposit underscore 1207. Then it has printed the CNAME. And next we'll move to the next question. Here we have to list the name of the customer having a deposit in the customers living in a Nagpur. So here I given a command of a customer select CNAME from customer underscore 1207 where city equal to Nagpur, and CNAME in bracket I have given select CNAME from deposit 1207 where amount is greater than 0. Then it is showing no rows are selected. Now we'll move to the third question. In this third question we'll see uh, is uh, the question is to give the names of the customers in a Carlobag branch having a more deposit in any other customer in VIRR branch. So here I have given so So here I given a command of select from customer underscore 1207 and where city equal to Nagpur and CNAME in city in bracket select CNAME from deposit underscore 1207 where amount is greater than 0. Then it has printed a no rows. The name should be a Mehul. So now we'll move to the fourth question. Here it is asking to list all the depositors living in a Nagpur. So now we'll see the list the branches cities of Anil and Sunil. So here I given a command of select star from branch underscore 1207 where B name in bracket I have given select bname from deposit underscore 1207 where cname equal to Anil or cname equal to Sunil. Then it has printed the bname and city. Then now we'll move to the sixth question. This will see it is asking to list all the cities where the branches of Anil and Sunil are located. So um, here we can see that I given a command of select city from branch underscore 1207 where bname in bracket I have given select bname from deposit underscore 1207 where cname equal to Anil or cname equal to Sunil. Then it has printed a city as Nagpur. Now we'll move to the seventh question. Now in this seventh question it is asking to give the loan amount of a borrowers are having a same branch as of the deposit Sunil. So here it has printed given a command of select loan amount from a borrow underscore 1207 where the B name, and in bracket I've given select B name from deposit underscore 1207 where C name equal to Sunil. Then it has printed the loan and amount. Now we'll move to the eighth question. So here you'll see it is asking to give the names of the borrowers having a loan amount of a greater than loan amount of Anil. Then here I given a command. Here select a CNAME from borrow underscore 1207 where amount is greater than all, and in bracket select amount from borrow underscore 1207 where CNAME equal to Anil. Then it has printed the CNAME. Now we'll move to the ninth question. Here it is asking to list the name of the customers whose deposit amount greater than 1000 and amount loan amount less than 10,000. So here I given a command. So then here it has printed. I've given a command of select CNAME deposit and underscore 1207 where the amount is greater than 1000 and CNAME, and in bracket I've given a select CNAME from borrow underscore 1207 where amount is less than 10,000. Then it has printed the Mehul and Sunil. Now we'll move to the 10th question. So in this we'll see we have to list all the depositors having a deposit in all branches where a Sunil is having an account. So here we can see I've given a command of select star from deposit underscore 1207 where B name in bracket select B name from deposit underscore 1207 where C name equal to Sunil. Then it has printed the account number, C name, B name and amount, a date. Then we'll move to the 11th question. So in this we'll see we'll have to list all the customers living in Nagpur and having a branch city Bombay or Delhi. So here I given a command of select star from deposit underscore 1207 and where the amount is greater than select in brackets sum of amount from borrow underscore 1207 where deposit underscore 1207. Then here it has printed the account number, C name, B name and amount and a date. Then we'll move to the 12th question. So in this we'll see um, so in this we'll see we have to display the details of the customers whose deposit amount is greater than their sum of the borrowed amount. So here we'll see. So here I given a command of account number. I given a select star from deposit underscore 1207 where amount is greater than, on bracket I given select sum of amount from borrow underscore 1207 where deposit underscore 1207 then dot c equal to borrow underscore 1207 dot c. Then here it has a printed account, C name, B name and amount, a date. uh, um, so all the codes are executed successfully. Thank you.